we are BOQI fan factory since 2013. Today I want to show you our remote control stand fan 901R. Modern design and strong tie screw. Protects baby's finger from the injury. This is the left side of the fan. It equipped with LED display, remote control, 3 speeds and 7.5 hours. Speed 1, Speed 2, and Speed 3. Wide angle oscillation from right to left. Up and down. Adjustable height. Enjoyable everywhere. Welcome to contact us, BOQI fan factory for more details and price.